Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tifara and today I'm going to make a beautiful goddess floral crown, one of my favorite things to make and one of my favorite flowers to work with. I love bougainvilleas and this particular one I've been obsessing with. It's a bougainvillea plant that's in my neighborhood and every time I pass it I go crazy because it's so beautiful. It has a mix of pink and white and a little bit of peach. It's a really pretty bougainvillea flower. This is it. So and there's parts of it that's white as well. It's the same exact plant. It's so pretty in the yard. Anyway, so that's what we're gonna be making today. Things that you're gonna need, let me tell you what you're gonna, well, of course you're gonna need the bougainvillea flowers. You're gonna need some wire, whatever kind of wire you choose. This one is a gold wire. I got this from Ligani Dragon Garden. I don't remember the size of it, but you know what, you can get wire from the hardware store really cheap. You don't have to get this type of wire. Any wire will work, really. And I have another gold wire that I may use. I'm not sure. I may use it to do something else on the floral crown when I'm done. So I'm just gonna keep this close by. You're gonna need a jewelry pliers, and I'm gonna use a regular pliers because it has a cutter on it. So if you don't have a cutter, you can use a pliers with the cutter on it. And I'm gonna be using tape. I'm not certain which tape I'm gonna use yet. I have Scotch tape and I also have this tape. Don't remember the name of this one, but it's the cream looking one and it's like paper. You really don't need much, just the wire, the pliers, the tape and the flowers. Let's get started. Okay, so I also added a small paper scissors and I got this cap which I'm gonna use to size the crown. So basically what I'm gonna do with, and I like this wire because it's very easy to work with, it bends easily. So I'm just gonna use the hat to mark the size of it. You really don't have to use a hat, but I'm using a hat today. Oh, all right. I think that's good. So we're gonna work with this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is this end, I'm gonna wrap it around here to secure it. You could always wrap this around a couple of times if you want more wire. I don't want that today, so I'm just gonna cut off the excess and I'm gonna save the rest of the wire for another project. So this is what we're working with for the crown. And it's so simple, guys. So very simple. I'm gonna cut these ends. You don't have to cut either because bougainvillea breaks really easily. So you can just do that. But I want it to be clean, so I'm gonna cut. So if you don't have a scissor, you're okay. So each flower you want to leave a little bit of stem because we're gonna need the stems. These are all loose ones I just picked up off the ground. So we're gonna add those in where we can. So we're just gonna pick a piece, choose a piece. Let's choose something like this. And what we do is we place it on the wire like so, like that. And then you take your tape. I'm gonna use a little piece of Scotch tape and you tape the stem down onto the wire. tape it onto the wire. Like so, like that. Alright, and that's one piece done. And put it here. And I'm gonna get another piece of tape and secure that. Make sure not to let the tape catch any pieces of the flower, because the bougainvillea flower is very delicate, so it will tear. Okay, that's one piece done. So we're gonna do that all the way around the wire. So I decided not to bring it all the way around. I just did it a little more than halfway around the wire. So what I'm gonna do is fill in the spaces with the loose ones that I got. I'm gonna carefully do that and try very hard not to break anything or tear anything. So I'm gonna stick one right here. Oh, God, I broke something. See what I mean? Okay, filling them in is a little bit more difficult than I thought it would be, but let me try one more. So because the stems on these are really short, and I'm not so gentle, I'm just gonna leave it alone as it is. I think it will be beautiful just the same, right? Maybe if the stems were longer on these, I could easily tape them on, but it's a little difficult and it's causing me to break off the others that are there already. So I think it's fine just like this. So this is the finished product. And if there's anything sticking out, like any tape anywhere, don't worry about it, because once you put it in your hair, it will be hidden and you won't see a thing. You won't notice a thing. It will look seamless. All right, so let's try it on. Today my hair is in a puff, so hopefully this just goes right over my puff with no issues. So let's place it. And I think it's fine. It does go right over. Yes, perfectly, actually. And you know something? Nothing. It's perfect. I feel like a goddess now. Oh. Alright guys, so that is the tutorial for my goddess floral crown using bougainvilleas. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and also share. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and hit the notification bell so you'll know whenever I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will link up in the next video. Alright, later.